Hello. Now we're going to talk about the present continuous, but when we use it for the future, for the mustaqbal, okay? Not the normal present continuous that we know when we talk about something that is happening now, okay? Today we're going to talk about how do we use it when we talk about the mustaqbal, the future. First thing, how do we make the present continuous? If we have a positive sentence, that means something is happening, right? We have am or is or are. So for example, I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. And then we add the verb with ing at the end. So for example, you say, tomorrow I am visiting my grandma. Okay, this is a positive sentence. If we want to make a negative sentence, like something isn't happening, we have am or is or are plus not plus verb with ing at the end. For example, tomorrow Layan isn't coming to school. Okay? Isn't is the same thing as is not. Isn't is the short form or the contraction, as we call it, of is not. So isn't coming, the same thing as is not coming. Okay? Then, if we want to make a question, we start with is or am or are. Then we put the subject, I or you or he or she or we, they, okay? And then we add the verb with ing at the end. And then we have the rest of the sentence, the question, the rest of the question, and at the end, the question mark. So for example, is Layan coming to school tomorrow? Okay? Now, we can use this present continuous to talk about future plans. What do we want to do in the future? Future can mean tomorrow, next week, after 2-3 hours, at the end of the day, okay? The moment after this moment, after the present moment. So we can use the present continuous to talk about the future. For example, next week I am going to China, right? So I am making a plan. I'm saying something that I want to do, and I'm talking about the future. But I can use the present continuous also. Just because the name is present, that doesn't mean I can only use it to talk about the present. I can use it to talk about the mustaqbal, the future also.